Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Founders raising funding must capture the attention of the investor. Here are some key steps on how to make the pitch more engaging. Include market research to validate the problem to be solved. This touches on the target market, the competition, and customer needs. Make clear the problem to be solved and the solution offered. It helps to show how the product works at a high level. And show the support for the business so far. This includes traction in the current business with leads generated, revenue growth, and support from others, including partners. And highlight the challenges in the space and the hurdles these startups must overcome. Pitch decks with nothing but rosy projections are suspect. Investors appreciate knowing exactly what must be done to beat the competition. List the skills the team needs to succeed. It's often the case the founder shows a list of people and claims they are a rock star team, but most investors don't know the people and can only go by where the team has worked before. List a key business skill, technical skill, and domain skill that the team has to show that this is the right team. Consider these points in making your pitch deck more engaging. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.